Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of solving initial value problem, that is dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square with four sets of predetermined values which are nothing but y of 0 equal to 1, y of 0.1 is equal to 1.1113, y of 0.2 is equal to 1.2507, and y of 0.3 is equal to 1.426. We need to solve this at the rate of x is equal to 0.4 by using Milne's method, Milne's predictors and correctors method. Okay, so in this case we can see, first I'll be writing the value of x, value of y, and y dash. What is y dash here? X square plus y square, x square plus y square. Fine. So I'll be writing x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay. Then similarly y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. Okay, x0 is equal to, where it starts from 0, then 0.1, then 0.2, then 0.3, then we need to calculate at the rate of 0.4. Then y0, at the rate of 0 it is 1, at the rate of 0.1 it is 1.1113, then it is 1.2507, then it is 1.426, then this we need to calculate. Then calculate its y dash result. Y dash result means its derivatives. What are its derivatives now? Y0 dash is equal to x0 square plus y0 square. Clear? What is x0? 0. 0 plus 1 square, which is equal to 1. Similarly, y1 dash is nothing but 0.1 the square plus 1.1113 the square. This is equal to 1.245. Similarly, y2 dash, that is 0.2 the square plus 1.2507 the square, which is equal to 1.6043. Similarly, y3 dash, that is equal to 0.3 the square plus 1.426 the square, which is equal to 2.1235. Then y4 dash, which we don't know, that has to be calculated. Fine. So this is the result now. Then what to do? Then let us move to its calculation. What it says, we need to calculate its result by using Milne's method. When we are using Milne's method, let us see how best it can be utilized. See, by Milne's method, first Milne's predictors formula, that is prediction to y4 is equal to y0 plus 4h by 3 into 2 times y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 times y3 dash. Clear? So this is the result. This is a very important formula to calculate predicted value. In this, if we substitute the results from the table, what happens? Prediction to y4 is equal to y0. What is y0? 1 plus 4 times h. What is 4 times h? That divided by 3. What is h now? H is nothing but step size. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 means it is 0.1. Then 2 times y1 dash. What is y1 dash? Y1 dash is 1.245 minus y2 dash. What is y2 dash? 1.6043 plus 2 times y3 dash. What is y3 dash? 2.1235. Calculate and let us see how much it is. If we calculate all these values, that is 2.1245 minus 1.6043 plus 2 into 2.1235, that is 1.6844. This is a prediction to y4. Clear? This is a prediction to y4. Okay, then we need to go for its correction, but we know that when we start from prediction to when we move to other part, it is very simple technique here. Prediction to correction, understood? So from prediction to correction, before derivative will come, again from correction to correction there will be a derivative. This is the procedure which we need to adopt. This is the chain system now. So we need to take its derivative. Let us take y4 dash is equal to, what is y dash? Y dash is x square plus y square. Therefore it will be x4 square plus y4 square. That is equal to, what is x4? x4 is 0.4. 0.4 the square plus y4, which is not there. When it is not there, the recent result, whatever it is there, that has to be considered. x4 prediction we are having, that is 1.6844 t square. This has to be considered. And what is the value of this? Just take a calcium calculate. If you calculate this, it will be equal to 2.9972. That is y4 dash. Then prediction to derivative to correction. Clear? Then Milne's correctors formula. What is that? Correction to y4 is equal to, what is the formula? y2 plus h by 3 into y2 dash plus 4 times y3 dash plus y4 dash. Clear? So this is the result. This result we may take repeatedly, so I'll be giving some number to this. That is equation number 1. Now substitute the values from the table. So correction to y4 is equal to y2. y2 will be taken from table 1.2507. That is 1.2507 plus h is 0.1 divided by 3. That into y2 dash. What is y2 dash? y2 dash is 1.6043. 1.6043. Clear? Plus 4 into y3 dash. y3 dash is 2.1235. 2.1235 plus y4 dash, which is not there. Then from where it will be taken? Recently obtained value, means this has to be considered. That is 2.9972. Then overall it is equal to, if we calculate this result will be equal to 1.6872. This is correction to y4. If we compare our prediction and correction, it is a matter of 0.003 difference. Means it is huge difference in numerical solutions. Okay, so what I do, again I go with the derivative, because this is our procedure now. So from prediction to derivative to correction we reached. Again we need to go to derivative, then again correction. Okay, so once again I'll be taking y4 dash, which is nothing but x4 square plus y4 the square. x4 is fixed, that is 0.4 the square plus y4. Which y4 now? Recently obtained, that is 1.6872 the square. Calculate this. 1.6872 the square, that is equal to 3.0067, that is y4 dash. Okay, then substitute this again from equation number 1. Put it in equation number 1. Then correction to y4 is equal to, now again you can see y2 remains same, this everything remains same. What changes? Only this part changes. This part means this portion will change. This will be replaced by new value. Therefore 1.2507 plus 0.1/3 into 1.6043 plus 4 into 2.1235 plus 2.9972 will be replaced by 3.0067, which is equal to, calculate, this result is equal to 1.6875. So this is a correction. Again, if you compare these two results, 1.687275 means it is a difference of 0.0003. So I do one thing, I'll go again, once again, I'll go for next result. Then y4 dash is again x4 square plus y4 square, that is 0.4 the square plus new result. New result is 1.6875 the square. Calculate. If you calculate this, it becomes 3.0077, which is y4 dash. Clear? Then again substitute. Then again equation number 1 becomes correction to y4 is equal to, again everything will remain same. What changes? This result will be replaced by new result. Therefore 1.2507 plus 0.1/3 into 1.6043 plus 4 into 2.1235 plus 3.0067 will be replaced by 3.0077. Okay, let us see how much it is now. If we calculate this result will be equal to, this result will be equal to 1.6876. This is y4 correction. If we take, it is almost 0.0001 difference, so we can conclude. Therefore y4 is nothing but y of x4, which is nothing but y of